كان المنتخب العراقي يأمل في تعديل الوضع بعد الهزيمة الأولى لهم، بينما تسعى كوريا لتأمين موقفها على صدارة المجموعة.
And a turn, it just came too far away, and what a good save there by Ahmad Hassan. Near post, Newman knocks it in, and is that the opening goal? It looks as though it is. Laith Hussein had beaten the offside trap there. I hesitated for the moment, but the goal has been given, and Laith Hussein has opened the score. Now he's chipped that on towards a back header, and a great volley across the face of the goal.
أعاد هدف التعادل الثقة للكوريين، وبدأت الآلة الحمراء في السيطرة. وربما ساهمت الأخطاء الدفاعية للخصم في المباراة الأولى في تفوق كوريا، إلا أن أخطاءهم الدفاعية هذه المرة ستكلفهم نقطة في هذه المباراة.
This is a ball through for No. It's going to come all the way through, and No gets a boot in the face from Radi Schneisel. Cleanly struck, the goalkeeper going the wrong way, and that's 2-1 to South Korea. Oh, and that's bounced nicely. Oh, and here's a chance for Iraq, and a little prod home, and Iraq have deserved that equaliser. But it was a defensive blunder by South Korea in the first instance. Well, look at this, a complete and utter miscue by the number 3 Chung Jong-son, and Jafar just toe pokes it into the side netting.